Okay, doing K-pop Demon Hunters to explain some ideas of how to handle ideas in Monster of the Week because it is such a great movie for the type of story that Monster of the Week is designed to simulate. Anyway, here we go. Trying to keep this down close to a minute. That was all one roll. You do not do a roll for every action. You do a roll for camera cuts. You do a roll for a dramatic sequence. That was not kick some ass. Rumi's entire goal there was to get the water to Mira. If you want to see what kick some ass looks like, that's kick some ass. There is nothing else she needs to do here. She just wants to break that guy's face. That's kick some ass.